Chef David Rose coming at you straight from the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. And with me, I have here the product specialist, Roxanne. She knows everything about the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station and literally everything we made today, from the braised lamb shank to the delicious creamy cauliflower puree to the Swiss chard, was made on this right here. And I don't know, Roxanne, I'm hooked right now. Can I take this home with me? Christmas is right around the corner.
We'll have to talk about it.
We'll talk about that off camera. It's cool. So what we have here, I want to go ahead, of course, you always eat with your eyes first. So pretty plates and plating is always a must. So I'm gonna put that creamy cauliflower puree in there with the butter, with the cream, with the salt, with the pepper, with the garlic powder. It's so creamy, I doubt you'll miss mashed potatoes. And me and Roxanne love mashed potatoes, but these cauliflower puree right here, it's gonna hit the spot. All right, so a little nest of that on the bottom. Those delicious garlicky Swiss chard. Put that on top, like so. Nice little mound right in the middle like that. And Roxanne, do you want to finish it off for us? You want to finish it off? All right, so I'm gonna have you go ahead, just take the fork and just carefully put it right in the middle.
Okay.
I have faith in you.
Yes.
Then you want to nestle it, because right now we got that nice glazed sauce on there, and put it on there in the middle. And this part you can do. I'm a big fan of contrast in textures, contrast in flavors. So what I have here is a crumble, and this is just breadcrumb, butter, salt, pepper. I put it in the pan until it's nice and browned and sauteed. It's gonna get a nice nuttiness. So I'm gonna let you take that and hit it with that on top of there. It's gonna give you that nice crunchiness to contrast with that delicious, succulent lamb shank, the creamy cauliflower puree, and it's gonna be so good. A little more, and we are good to go.
Okay.
All right. And that looks pretty good. What do you say?
Looks delicious.
There we have our stout braised lamb shank with the garlicky Swiss chard and that delicious, creamy, make you forget all about mashed potatoes, cauliflower puree, all done on the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station. And only one thing left to do, Roxanne. You know what that is?
Taste test.
Let's dig in. Let's do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't even need a knife.
There you go,
Just
see?
fall
You
off
see
the
that?
bone.
That
Look at
good
this. It's coming
braising,
right
there
off.
you go.
Do I
It's
grab,
falling apart.
Do I grab all of it
get
together?
that perfect bite, get some of the cauliflower puree as well.
Okay. And then
We're friends here, you can grab a bigger
Some
bite
of
than
the
that. That's
shake.
cool. Grab some more meat, grab some
All
more
right.
meat. There
Okay.
you go. All right, talk to me, I'm antsy. Talk to me.
I grabbed too big of a bite. It is so
Hey, it's
delicious.
fun. Yes.
Again, fall off the bone. Braised.
Yes.
That creamy cauliflower puree just melts in your mouth. It is so good. And all of it done in the Versatile Chef Station.
Yes.
It's just amazing. You are a wonderful chef. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for bringing it. We're gonna talk off camera about me bringing this home, but you can grab these recipes, read up more on the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station, only on the Chef Series, and we will see you guys next time.